Welcome to our tutorial on soldering toy soldiers. You need long nose pliers, a wire brush, solder, 2 paint brushes, flux, oxygen tank, gas tank and charcoal in a biscuit tin, the metal soldier and of course the soldering iron. Clean the figure where you plan to solder. Apply flux to both body and arms. Embed figure into charcoal. Snip 4 mm of solder twice. Carefully place solder bits on join. Make sure soldering iron has a sharp blue flame. Apply flame to solder bits for a few seconds. They melt fast and flow into joints. Leave figure for a minute, then remove from charcoal and brush off charcoal bits to clean it. To remove greasy flux, dip figure into adhesive remover and leave it for 2 hours. Then remove and let dry. If you neglect this process, paint will not adhere to metal surface. Thanks for watching our tutorial on soldering toy soldiers.